So, for today's video mga guys, magdodrawing pala tayo. Pero, bago yon, maghanap muna tayo ng reference na may dodrawing natin. So, tara, maghanap tayo. So, dito pala guys ay naghahanap na ako ng may dodrawing. By the way guys, sa Pinterest pala ako kumukuha ng reference. Kasi dito lang ang maayos ng mga may dodrawing. So, dito ay naghahanap na pala ako. Hindi yan. Yung nasa taas. Yun. So, tara. I-download na natin. Kasi, ito pala yung nidodrawing ko. Tara. So, mga guys, ito pala yung napili kong reference. So, tara. Umpisahan natin. So, ito pala yung gagamitin ko na pag-drawing. So, doon tayo mag-drawing. Tara. So, guys, ito pala ang ginagamit ko sa pag-drawing. Yun. Ito pala yung ginagamit ko.
Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
So guys, update lang tayo. So, malapit na tayo matapos. Nasa 50% na tayo. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, dito pala oh. Dito pala na part. Dito ako nahirapan dito. So, mga guys, malapit na tayo matapos. Nasa bibig na tayo na part. So, tara, tapusin na natin.
It's another fiery afternoon, so hot, hotter than the month of June. So we should go beach now. Cool down where the water's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hell it out the door. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot, cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot, cool down.
So mga guys, update lang tayo mga guys. So medyo ayos na. Pakita ko lang. So dito pala guys, medyo naayos na siya. Iwan ko ba kung ayos na siya. Basta para sa akin maganda na. Malaki lang yung mata. Pero okay na. Tara, tapusin lang natin ng konti. Hindi pa tapos oh. Dito hindi pa tapos. So, tara.
The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire.
So mga guys, tapos na pala. So mga guys, tapos na tayo mag-drawing. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking drawing. So ito pala yung result guys.
Ragga Baba in the area. All you Cause it's a hot day. Everybody shoulda go and pull off, yeah. All you paddlers, gonna go and get your crew. And everybody else, you know what to do, eh? Go grab your ohana, it's so nice outside. We living in Hawaii with aloha and pride.
The wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot, yeah. Cool down. The wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot, yeah. Cool down.
And guys, thank you for watching guys. Wait lang. Bago ko tapusin ang video na to, may sabihin lang ako sa inyo. Sabi ko lang sa inyo, hindi pala ako masyadong magaling pa sa pag-drawing. Kung ang mga drawing ko ay hindi pa maganda, inaamin ko yan. Hindi pa ako magaling mag-drawing. So, yan lang guys. Sana magustuhan nyo ang video na to. At, yan lang. At, wait lang. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at sa aking TikTok account. Ito pala yung TikTok account ko. Yan lang. Subscribe to my channel and like naman. Boss. Yo, kaya